Hello my people, I'm James Okorie, and I know that you might be wondering what I'm doing with board and what I'm doing with this timer. By the way, this is James Okorie Technical Institute, where we practically train people on anything that concerns automation, solid energy inverter installation, CCTV installation, smart home automation, AutoCAD design, electrical wiring and installation, which includes the domestic wiring, commercial wiring and industrial wiring, wall power panels, LV and HV panels. Everything that concerns electrical, we treat them practically here at James Okorie Technical Institute. You can enroll for our physical training, or you can also enroll for our online training. Just send us a WhatsApp message or call us on the number you see on the screen now. We are located at number 1 Alabede Street, Yenabaja, Lagos State. So let's start. Today, we shall be discussing about timer. Here with me is a timer relay. What's a timer? We said that there are industrial switch gears which are being used to automatically control a load at a particular time frame. So you can use it to control a load depending on the set time that you set the timer, right? So instead of it to function immediately, you can delay it to a particular time frame you want using this knob here. We have different types of timers. We have what we call digital timers, we have analog timer, and we call this one is only timer, is normally analog. So you can use your hand, you select the time frame you want so that it can be able to function. But the purpose of this video is to tell us how timer works. Every timer have what we call terminal category, right? So today we'll be discussing about timer and terminal categories of timer so that you can know how to use timer. So the topic of today is about timer. We said they are used to control, or you say to automatically control electrical loads at a particular time frame, or you call it set time. You can set any time, you can set in seconds, you can set in minutes, you can set in hours. That's the reason why if you want to use timer, check the one you want to buy. Check the one that suits your construction or your design. Is it the seconds timer, is it the minutes timer, or is it the hour timer? And while using timer, you must know the timer, just as I said before, because as an automation engineer, you must understand how to use timer before you can boastfully say that you can automate anything, because using timer is a must as an automation engineer. So let's look at the timer categories of timer. We have what we call 4 terminal categories of timers. 4 terminal categories of timers. I will list them, then we'll start describing them one after the other, explaining them one after the other. We have what we call the coil or energizing terminal of timer, which enables you to energize the timer to function automatically on its own. Then we have what we call the common terminal of timer, which is the terminal that you must apply current to before the timer can function automatically on its own. Then we have what we call normally open terminal of timer, and we have what we call normally closed terminal of timer. So let's list them out. We have number 1, the coil, or you call it the energizing terminal of timer. Number 2, we have what we call the common terminal of timer. Number 3, we have what we call the normally open terminal of timer. Number 4, we have what we call the normally closed terminal of timer. Now, for the normally open, we call it NO, and for the normally closed, we call it NC. These are the terminal categories of timer, right? We will stop here now. In our next video, we'll start explaining the terminal categories one after the other. So, for you to know how to use this timer, or even if it's the digital timer, any type of timer, you must understand the terminal categories, which are the coil, or you call it the energizing terminal, the common terminal, the normally open terminal, and normally closed terminal. This is James Okorie Technical Institute, where we practically train people on anything that concerns automation, solar, and anything that concerns CCTV. You can also call us or send us a WhatsApp message on the number you see on the screen, in case you want to go for a physical training or online training. Or you can come to our office. We are located at number 1 Alabede Street, Yenabaja, Lagos State, right? I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much.